Hello and welcome. I am Ghulam Abbas from yazit.com. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install WDS from Server Manager in Server 2016. So let's go ahead and open up the Server Manager. Before you install WDS on the computer, you have to remember, you have to fulfill the requirements of WDS. You have to install a DDS on your computer, I mean Active Directory Domain Services, and there should be also a DHCP. And also a DNS. What is a DNS? The DNS should be installed on the computer. Otherwise, it won't work for you. So here I have already launched here the server manager. Although last time we learned how to install WDS with PowerShell. With PowerShell commands, I have already taught you. You have, if you want to learn that one from PowerShell, you can take a look for the previous clip which I have uploaded here in my YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and start installing by clicking add roles and features. So when you click on that one, add roles and features wizard will open for you, and here is written that before you begin, here are some information for you. You can read them, or here is written that install the remove roles and feature if you want. But since I am installing features, so let's go ahead and then click next. So here I am on the installation type. Here it's asking for me that where I have to install this one. So I select that it should be a role based feature, not a remote desktop installation. So click next, and then here you are in the server pool destination server, where you are whether you are trying to install it on a server pool or on a VHD virtual hard disk. You can select that one if you have here, but I don't have right now. If you have, then select that one, and then the browse option will be enabled for you. So for now, I'll go ahead and select the server pool and then click next. So here I am on the server roles. Here what I need is to find the WDS, I mean Windows Deployment Services. Click on it and then select add features, and now you have to click next. So here you are on the features tab. Right now you don't need to select anything from here. Again click next, and again here you are on the WDS window. Here you're saying that two things you have to know: the Windows Deployment Server requirements and DHCP, DNS, and I don't know, NTFS also. NTFS, this should be for the configuration, NTFS and the credential. And here is also saying that in order to install that one, you have to Windows PE and all other information here is giving for you here. So click next, and then here you are on the server roles services. Here these two are the requirements of the WDS. Number one, whether it should be a deployment server or a transport server. Easily I can tell you that what is a transport server or what is a deployment server. Easily I can tell you that deployment server it means that you have to use complete functionality of WDS. For transport server, it is less computable. It has less features than the deployment server. I have given a list on this article here in yazit.com. You can take a look, and there all the features I have written for you, which features deployment server have and which feature transport server has. So for now, click both of them. I will select both of them and then click next. So if you are on the confirmation page, select restart. If it requires to restart the PC, then just go ahead and install that one. I mean restore the PC. So click install. So it should install the WDS server on the Windows Deployment Services on Server 2016. So here you can take a look that the installation process is been finished. Now you can click close, and the window will be closed for you. Now if you go ahead to the tools, and you can take a look that here must be Windows Deployment Services. Whether you have to click here or press Windows R on the keyboard and then type WDS and gmt.msc. Press enter, and the Windows Deployment Services will be open for you. So how to configure this one, I will show you that in the next tutorial.